Porto or Oporto is the second largest city in Portugal and one of the Iberian Peninsula's major urban areas. Porto city proper, which is the entire municipality of Porto, is small compared to its metropolitan area, with an estimated population of just 215,945 people in a municipality with only 41.42 square kilometers. Porto's metropolitan area has around 1.7 million people in an area of 2,395 square kilometers, making it the second largest urban area in Portugal. It is recognized as a global city with a Gamma Plus rating from the Globalization and World Cities Research Network. Located along the Douro River estuary in northern Portugal, Porto is one of the oldest European centers, and its core was proclaimed a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1996. As Historic Center of Porto, Luísai Bridge and Monastery of Serra do Pilar. The historic area is also a national monument of Portugal. The western part of its urban area extends to the coastline of the Atlantic Ocean. Its settlement dates back many centuries, when it was an outpost of the Roman Empire. Its combined Celtic-Latin name, Portiscale, has been referred to as the origin of the name Portugal, based on transliteration and oral evolution from Latin. In Portuguese, the name of the city includes a definite article, O Porto, which is where its English name, Oporto, comes from. Port wine, one of Portugal's most famous exports, is named after Porto, since the metropolitan area, and in particular the cellars of Vila Nova de Gaia, were responsible for the packaging, transport, and export of fortified wine. In 2014 and 2017, Porto was elected the best European destination by the Best European Destinations Agency. Porto is on the Portuguese way path of the Camino de Santiago. Porto is also the home of one of the country's most successful football clubs, FC Porto. The history of Porto dates back to around 300 BC, with Proto-Celtic and Celtic people being the first known inhabitants. Ruins of that period have been discovered in several areas. During the Roman occupation of the Iberian Peninsula, the city developed as an important commercial port, primarily in the trade between Olisipong and Bracara Augusta. Porto was also important during the Suebian and Visigothic times, and a center for the expansion of Christianity during that period. Porto fell under the control of the Moors during the invasion of the Iberian Peninsula in 711. In 868, Guimara Perez, an Asturian count from Galicia, and a vassal of the king of Asturias, Leon and Galicia, Alfonso III, was sent to reconquer and secure the lands back into Christian hands. This included the area from the Minho to the Douro River, the settlement of Portiscale, and the area that is known as Vila Nova de Gaia. Portiscale, later referred to as Portugal, was the origin for the modern name of Portugal. In 868, Count Guimara Perez established the county of Portugal, or usually known as Condado Portucalense, after reconquering the region north of Douro. In 1387, Porto was the site of the marriage of John I of Portugal and Philippa of Lancaster, daughter of John of Gaunt. This symbolized a long-standing military alliance between Portugal and England. The Portuguese-English alliance is the world's oldest recorded military alliance. In the 14th and 15th centuries, Porto's shipyards contributed to the development of Portuguese shipbuilding. Also from the port of Porto, in 1415, Prince Henry the Navigator embarked on the conquest of the Moorish port of Ceuta, in northern Morocco. This expedition by the king and his fleet, which included Prince Henry, was followed by navigation and exploration along the western coast of Africa, initiating the Portuguese Age of Discovery. The nickname given to the people of Porto began in those days. Portuenses are to this day, colloquially, referred to as tripeiros, referring to this period of history, when higher quality cuts of meat were shipped from Porto with their sailors, while offcuts and byproducts, such as tripe, were left behind for the citizens of Porto. Tripe remains a culturally important dish in modern-day Porto. By the 13th century, the wine produced in the Douro Valley was already transported to Porto in barcos rabalos. In 1703, The Methuen Treaty established the trade relations between Portugal and England. In 1717, the first English trading post was established in Porto. The production of port wine then gradually passed into the hands of a few English firms to counter this English dominance. Prime Minister Marquess of Pombal established a Portuguese firm receiving the monopoly of the wines. From the Douro Valley, he demarcated the region for the production of port, to ensure the wine's quality. This was the first attempt to control wine quality and production in Europe. The small wine growers revolted against his strict policies on Shrove Tuesday, burning down the buildings of this firm. The revolt was called Revolta dos Borrachos. Between 1732 and 1763, Italian architect Niccolao Nasong designed a B.